Stretch Mark Care Set. Help improve the appearance of scars and stretch marks during and after your pregnancy with this maternity kit featuring massage lotion, massage cream, tummy butter balm and skin therapy body oil. Pre-Natal Skin Care. Made with cocoa butter to soften and smooth skin, vitamin E for even and toned appearance, collagen and elastin for stretchability and firmness, Enzyme Q10 to revitalize, and pro-vitamin B5 to soothe sore, cracked skin. Finest ingredients. We use only the finest natural, raw ingredients for soft, hydrated and beautiful hair skin. We support sustainable production of Shea cocoa butter and coconut oil. You can feel good about what you put on your hair and skin. Choose what's real. Our nourishing skincare and hair care products feature real, high-quality, plant-based ingredients. Our product line for whole body care includes body butter, creams, balms, lotions, oils, soaps, pregnancy and stretch mark care. Why Palmer's? For over 180 years, Palmer's has crafted treatment-oriented beauty products using cocoa butter, coconut oil, shea butter, olive oil, vitamin E to soothe, hydrate, soften, replenish and revitalize skin and hair. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to use, not sticky, stopped itchiness. I suffered from pregnancy itchiness bad toward the end of my second trimester. Before buying this set, I was only using the Palmer's cocoa butter lotion and/or cream. I was told by a friend about the oil, tummy butter, and even the oil to stop itchiness. I immediately bought online and after using for one full day, the itchiness disappeared.